Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic Kajal at home for babies. First, gather your materials: pure almond oil, a clean cotton wick, and a small lamp. You'll also need a brass plate or a clean ceramic dish to collect the soot. Make sure all your tools are sterilized and completely dry. This ensures the Kajal is safe and pure for your baby's delicate eyes. Now let's collect the soot. Soak your cotton wick thoroughly in the pure almond oil and place it carefully in the lamp. Light the wick, then position the brass plate or ceramic dish directly above the flame, ensuring it's close enough to collect the soot but not extinguish the flame. Let the lamp burn for several hours, allowing a thick layer of pure soot to accumulate on the plate. Once a good amount of soot has collected, carefully scrape it into a clean, small container. Now, add just a few drops of pure almond oil to the soot. Mix this thoroughly using a clean, small spoon or a sterilized finger. You want to achieve a smooth, consistent paste that is easy to apply. Avoid adding too much oil, as this can make the Kajal too runny. For storage, transfer your freshly made organic Kajal into a small, airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dry place to maintain its freshness and consistency. When applying, use a very tiny amount on the outer corner of your baby's lower eyelid, never inside. Always perform a small patch test on their skin first to ensure there are no adverse reactions. Your baby's safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.